I'm gonna be sharpening a Home Depot. So in this video, is a kitchen. So I already started, but what I'm gonna do this. You guys can see. Yeah? Who is? Emma? Oh, sorry, I'm talking to you. Come on. Yes, this is a Home Depot. But not nice. Home Depot pencil. Yeah. Say hi. So you can Mom, I'm sharpening my pencil. Picture one. Happy mushroom.
I know, I had a mushroom. Okay? I do a mushroom.
So yeah, right now I'm almost done. Have you ever sharpened one before?
But I put something in there.
Oh, sorry, because it's YouTube filters on the server. Are you scared that I'm going to cut my finger? Then I'll use that. No, for real though, are you actually scared I'm going to cut my finger? You're evil. And so